It is rightly said that the secret of your success depends on what you do every day. Your daily routine is going to determine the course of your life. But the question is, do we really want to transform our lives? Do we really want to live a happy, healthy, and productive life? In this video, I'm going to share 5 very practical and very realistic habits that can truly transform your personality and your life for the better. First and foremost, do not check your phone when you wake up in the morning. I know we all are guilty of doing this, but we need to unlearn this habit in order to protect our sanity and our well-being. It took me a while to unlearn this habit. There was a time when I used to check my phone, and that was the first thing I used to do. Messages, social media apps, emails, whatnot. And with time I realized that this was one of the major reasons why I used to feel so anxious and restless in the morning. So I had to unlearn this habit. Our mind, body and soul do not need chaos. They want peace. Enjoy your cup of tea, enjoy your cup of coffee, and just be present in your present. All social media apps can wait. At some point in time, we all need to sit down and think, what's more important, our phone or our physical and emotional well-being? So take care of yourself and put the phone aside. Do not use it when you wake up in the morning. If I can unlearn this habit, I'm sure so can you. Second most important daily habit should be self-motivation. You need to be a self-motivator. The only person who can motivate you with consistency and with the purity of your intentions is no one else but yourself. If you truly want to seek motivation, you don't have to look around. You need to look within. You have all the power, all the capabilities, all the tools, and all the right reasons to motivate yourself. So don't let the world demotivate you. Sometimes we have to remind ourselves gently that we cannot be overachievers every day. Sometimes just waking up in the morning and not giving up on ourselves is a huge achievement in itself. I do it every day. I know you do too. So when you wake up in the morning and you're able to appreciate the person you look in the mirror, let me tell you, my friend, you are winning at life, and nothing in this world can ever demotivate you. So keep motivating yourself. Third most important daily habit should be setting goals for the day. Setting goals is the first step on the road to success. But while we are busy setting our goals, we need to be realistic. Sometimes we set great goals, but we get overwhelmed, we get tired, and by the end of the day, we achieve nothing. That's where I want you to remind yourself daily that it's not humanly possible to be an overachiever or to achieve the unachievable all at once in one day. Great things take time. So take the first step, set your goals for the day, take one step at a time every day. Fourth most beautiful and most meaningful daily habit is your connection with your loved ones. We have to connect with our loved ones on a daily basis. This is one of the habits that I cannot function without. Spending quality time with our loved ones gives us perspective on why we are doing what we are doing, or who are we doing it for. If we fail to connect with those who truly matter, no amount of success, money, or fame will give you real joy and peace. We need to value those who value us. So we should spend and invest our time, our emotions, and our energy willingly and consistently on our connections. To be surrounded by those who love you unconditionally is a huge blessing. These connections are the real assets, and we should never take them for granted. So every day, spend quality time with those who matter, and you will see the magic unfold. And last but not the least, practice gratitude in such a way that it becomes the part of your personality, it becomes the part of your daily routine. If you want to be a happy person, if you don't want to come across as a sad, bitter, or a jaded person, practice gratitude. If you want to attract abundance, practice gratitude. If you want to turn what you have into enough, practice gratitude. And always remember that to have a heart full of gratitude is a magnet to abundance. Every day brings a chance to change your life. If you truly want to transform your personality and your life, you should be willing to change what you do every day. If you are willing to change your daily routine, trust me, magic is going to happen, and don't be afraid to begin again.